Looks like 42 feet 6 inches right here.
Got it. 42.6 looks good.
24 feet 6 inches right here.
Noted. That's section 4.
All right, let's bring it in and move to the next marker.
What's the reading at the center line?
24.2 meters.
Noted. Check the shoulder next.
We're steady at 12 feet 6 inches.
Copy that. Bring the paver up another 2 meters.
12 feet 6. Got it.
Pull it tight right there at the stake.
Okay, I have it, ready to snap.
Go ahead.
We need to make sure the grade is set before the next load arrives.
Yeah, I'm checking the specs now. The paver is ready when we are.
That's good. Hold it right there.
Easy now. Stop it.
showing 52.5 inches right here.
Got it. Same as the last marker. Okay, hold it right there. Looks good. All right, moving to the next spot.
Manténlo ahí, por favor.
Listo. La medida está correcta. The alignment looks correct based on the gradient shown here.
Yes, the tow station confirms the 2% slope.
The alignment looks good here. We are right on grade.
Confirmed, I have it logged.
The alignment is spot on here. Confirmed.
Confirmed. Let's move to the next section.
All right, team, phase 1 starts here. Stick to the plan on the blueprints, prioritize safety, and let's get this done before the afternoon heat. All right, team, listen up. We're starting on the east side today. Make sure the barriers are secure before the heavy lifting begins.
All right, team. The priority today is the drainage on the east side. Raj, Priya, make sure the levels are checked before the concrete pour. Let's be safe out there.
All right, everyone, listen up. We're starting on the south end today. Keep an eye on the grade, and let's have a safe morning. There, easy now. Okay, dump your load. That's good. Keep going straight, then slow it down right there.
We'll dump the rest over there by the ridge.
Make sure the grade is consistent with the blueprint.
section is ready for the next layer.
All right, keep that truck moving slowly. We want an even spread. All right, bring it back slowly. Stop right at the marker. We're good on the gradient here, boss.
The Gitti layer is perfectly leveled. We can start the rolling process immediately.
Yes, the compaction looks good. According to the blueprint, we should be ready for the asphalt tomorrow.
Yeah, the compaction looks good. Let's double check the gradient.
This section looks good. The Gitti is set. Yeah, we can start the rolling in the morning.
The road is fully ready for the Gitti layer. The compaction looks good.
Agreed. Let's inform the supervisor we are on track.
Slow down, slow down. Bring it back here. Okay, stop. Slow down the truck. Bring it up to the paver.
All right, stop right there and dump the load.
Easy, easy. Back it up slowly, slowly. Okay, hold it right there. Stop. Keep it coming slow. Easy back now. All right, hold it right there. Stop. All right, keep it coming back slow. Easy now, easy. Hold it right there. Back it up, back it up. Easy now. Okay, that's good. Stop. All right, easy back now, nice and slow. And hold it right there, that's perfect. Easy back, easy back. Okay, hold it right there. Perfect. All right, hold it right there. That's good. hold it there. Copy that, boss. Slow the pour down a bit. Keep it coming, watch the edge. Échale, échale. That dust is getting thick over there. We better move back a little further. That's enough, hold the flow.
Received. Stopping the feed.
Keep it coming back, watch the left side. All right, hold it there.
Looks good here, right on grade.
Okay, let's check the center line and then the far edge. What's the reading on this side?
We are level. It checks out with the plan.
Check the center line, make sure it's exactly 200 millimeters.
Looks good here, right on spec.
We are at 200 millimeters on this side.
Same here. The grader did a good job. Keep it coming slow. Watch the edge of right. All right, easy now. Keep the flow steady as you go.
Hold the line steady on the left. Bring it up a little on the right side.
Keep it straight on your side. Looks good. Watch the edge here. Keep it straight. Pull that edge up a little. Got it. Watching the grade right here. Clear that aggregate by the truck. We need this layer even before the roller hits it. Okay, spread it evenly. We'll roll it now. Copy that. Watching my line.
Okay, roll it forward now. Nice and steady over the jitty. I'm watching the edge.
Clear that aggregate by the truck. We need this layer even before the roller hits it. Keep that edge straight right there. Slow down the machine a bit. We need more material on this side. Keep that edge straight, watch your feet.
Clear on this side. Easy now, easy. And stop.
Keep it straight, watch the edge. Looks good, keep rolling.
Is the compaction deep enough here?
Yeah, looks good. We can move to the next section. Looks like we are getting the density as need.
Yeah, the dust is staying low too. Let's keep this pace.
See how the dust catches the light. That indicates the perfect moisture level for compaction. It's holding well. We should be ready for the next layer soon. He's moving too fast. The dust is getting out of control.
I agree. I'll log it and tell him to slow the pace.
right up to the line there, then hold it. That looks good.
All right, shifting to reverse now.
Easy now, hold it right there. That's good. That's a good compaction. All right, reverse it and hit the next lane.
The elevation here needs to be precise. What's the reading on the tape?
We are exactly on grade, Supervisor.
Perfect, we're ready for the next phase.
This section is holding up well. We can proceed with the asphalt tomorrow.
Confirmed. The density readings are consistent across the board.
The moisture content is good, but the density on this side is still reading low.
All right, let's get the roller back over here for another 2 passes.
Looks good, we've got the 6 inches compacted tight.
Confirmed. We are ready for the asphalt crew tomorrow.
Check the grade right here. We're almost ready for the crew.
Looks good. We're within tolerance.
We're all set here, Supervisor. Ready for the asphalt layer.
Looks solid. Good job.
Keep it coming. Watch the edge.
Slow down, slow down.
All right, bring it back slowly. Dump it right there.
Stop, that's enough.
Lower it slowly.